Hello everyone, this is introduction of correct multi-batch tails modules in VMP software. Select correction first, and on the modules tab page in the properties area, enable calibration. Set the display content then. Next, select the correction mode. There are two modes. Correct the multi-batch tails. Correct the multi-batch modules. In the topology area, click and drag the mouse to select the tails or modules to be corrected. Hold Ctrl on keyboard and click the tails or modules can also work. Drag the slider to adjust the chroma. Restore means restore the configuration to the last saved. Reset means reset the configuration to the status before adjustment. Head mark on screen means when it is switched on, use the keyboard shortcut and the cursor will not be displayed on the screen. Finally, after the adjustments, click Save.